Hey friends, if you want to know on how you can switch from 2.4 gigahertz to 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi on your Windows 11, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can do that. So this is actually for the preferred band. So if you are in a 2.4 gigahertz preferred band and you want to switch into 5 gigahertz, then you need to make a right click at the start button. In the list of options, look for Device Manager, this one. Here in the Device Manager window, you need to locate the network adapters, this one. That's under monitors, by the way. Now here in the network adapters, you need to look for your Wi-Fi. So in my case, this is my Wi-Fi. Now by the way, how can you know that that is your Wi-Fi? Now press the Windows key and R button together. No, not this one. Press the Windows key and R button together. Here you need to type ncpa.cpl and click on OK. So this is my Wi-Fi, Realtek. So this is how you can know that that is your Wi-Fi in the device manager, because some of us, there are a lot of lists under the network adapters and we are confused as to what Wi-Fi do we have in that list. So here's the way on how you can do that, or how you can know that. So once that is, you have find your Wi-Fi, right click, or you can just simply double click. Then you will have this General, Advanced, Driver, Details, Events, and Resources tab. Now you have to click on the Advanced tab, the second tab. Then here you need to look for the preferred band, this one. So if you have no preference, click on this drop-down menu. So if you are in a 2.4 gigahertz, then you have to change this into 5G first. Now once that is done, just simply click on OK. And then once that is done, simply close this window. And then try to connect again into your Wi-Fi. And also, how can you know that you are in a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi? This is how you can know that. Click on the Start button and then go to Settings. On the left pane, click on Network and Internet. So here in the properties, I have 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. And also if you want to switch into a connection which is 5 gigahertz, then you can simply do that. If you have a list of network connections right here, then you can just simply switch into a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. And you will know that that is a 5 gigahertz in this window, in the Network and Internet settings window. So this is how you can do it. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.